Hey guys, welcome to my show More Talk Football. In this video I will knows you about which coach got the very best out of Lionel Messi his career. So guys, let's see. Quique Setien time in charge at Barcelona was brought to an unceremonious close on Monday. Whilst there is every indication that a new incumbent could be announced in a very short period of time, with Lionel Messi now contractually expected to work under a new coach at Barcelona, we took a look at the statistics which could tell us just which coach got the best out of him. Frank Rijkaard 2004 to 2008. Whilst often the forgotten figure in Barcelona's greatest era, Frank Rijkaard actually won the Champions League for Barcelona as a coach, their first since 1992, and he also brought a teenage Messi to the senior team at the Camp Nou. Pep Guardiola 2008 to 2012. Whilst he worked with Guardiola for the exact same period of time as he did with the aforementioned Rijkaard, it was with the Spanish coach that Messi became the greatest footballer on the planet. Guardiola arrived from Barcelona B with brave ideas about how he wanted his team to play, and Messi was centric to that. Tito Vilanova 2012-2013. Filling the void left by Guardiola was always going to be a difficult task, but Vilanova knew Messi well from his time working as assistant coach and simply carried on the formula of using the player as a false nine. Gerardo Martino 2013-2014. Tata Martino was entrusted with getting the best out of Messi, and even the forward himself had been impressed with the work his fellow countrymen had done with Newell's Old Boys. Neymar's arrival in the summer of 2013 also helped shape things for Messi, as he now had essentially a playmate of comparable ability. Luis Enrique 2014-2017. After flip-flopping between coaches for a couple of seasons, Messi would once again strike up a formidable partnership, this time with Luis Enrique, who was fresh from a redemptive spell with Celta Vigo. The MSN, as Messi, Neymar and Suarez would become known, were incredible despite a difficult first 6 months working under Luis Enrique. Ernesto Valverde 2017-2020. Ernesto Valverde arrived and Messi continued scoring goals. Although problems behind the scene were brewing, the main objective for the Spanish coach was to win the club the elusive 6th Champions League title, but he failed. Quique Setien 2020. After a spell with Las Palmas which highlighted the Spanish coach's view of football and a mixed period with Real Betis, Quique Setien was hired as an emergency option after Valverde was dismissed mid-season, the first Barcelona coach to suffer such an indignity since Luis van Gaal.